Mix toothpaste in detergent and you will thank me. To start today's tip in a container, I will add 500 milliliters of liquid detergent. The main item is detergent for its degreasing effect, thus facilitating the removal of stains and dirt from all your dishes and pots. Next, we will also use toothpaste. The ideal amount for use is 90 grams. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Roganda Sanaga from Indonesia. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The best of this tip is that with few ingredients, we get a more efficient mixture than all products sold in the markets. After placing the products, we will mix well. This mixture yields a lot and will easily remove all stains from your kitchen utensils. Next, we will also use a tablespoon of baking soda. Ideally, add the baking soda in a glass with 200 milliliters of water and then mix well until diluted. Next, we will add in the other container. And to finish, we will mix one last time. And then we will have our tip ready for use. Baking soda is always very suitable for cleaning tips. Its alkaline effect acts directly to remove stains and dirt. Once you are at this point, we will put all the mixture in a bottle, thus facilitating storage and use. This package I'm using has the capacity of 500 milliliters and is already enough for use for at least 2 weeks. I will use a funnel to avoid product waste. After placing all the product, we just must close and is already ready for use. You will easily notice the difference of this product among others sold in supermarkets. Have you ever made any mixture for cleaning using toothpaste? It is certainly the main item for the removal of all the stains you have in your shapes and pots. We should only apply the product directly to the pot that is dirty or even stained, and easily just with the use of a sponge, I can remove all the dirt. You can even use steel sponge. Just taking care for your type of pen. Then just rinse with water and it's ready. Tell me later if you got the result you expected with the use of this mixture. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.